That's what I'm talking about. Whoa!
Was that on the ladder?
Yeah, bro.
Did that almost smack me in the face?
You got snap ring pliers on the ladder for.
How close to nailing me was that?
A little more, sorry.
Easy, easy, easy.
Okay, so that's where it broke. I don't know if 50 is big enough for that.
I got an all 16 that'll fit that. Got a Harbor Freight.
Fucking hot over here inside, man.
Yeah, you know, I asked all this for this fucking stupid weld that's broken.
You're welcome. Oh yeah. I'll let her know if she gets back to me. I'll let you know if she gets back to me. Do I get a discount? What? Do I get a discount or customer like referral discount?
You get discounts on everything.
Yeah, but do I get like a referral discount?
I'll tell you what, if you buy something, I'll buy you a 4 case of Red Bull.
Hell yeah! My dog! That is some fucking customer service I can stand behind. I could go in for work before.
Yeah, he told you to go shopping.
Boom.
I talked to
New pin.
Okay.
you. Is that it?
All that fucking life sketching shit for that?
Yep.
Fuck you.
Don't fuck me. Fuck the fucking guy who broke it.
Who broke it? Oh, it was broke when you bought it, wasn't it? At least there.
Yeah, fortunately no one ever cleaned anything, so. Bubbles! Bubbles! Scrubby bubbles! Oh wow, that's actually really good.
I got bubbles!
You know that in the wrong spot? No, it's just really hot still.
Oh, Grandparents. Was it Grandparents? I don't remember that conversation.
You want to say whatever you want. I have the originals.
I don't even remember it. Like, whose wife?
Alright. Slide on in.
Ready?
Alright, hold on. Where did thingy go?
I put them up. Alright, let's go, Joe.
Nice and easy, Joe.
Yep.
That's as far as you can go.
Alright, you gotta slide.
Oh, am I hitting?
Alright, Joe. Are we good? Does it
No,
come up a
this
little?
side. Maybe pull back on it.
It's nice and easy.
Hold on.
With our fingers around
Oh, yeah.
Good?
Good.
I think so. Alright, slide it down. Pick it up. That's not there.
Test that lock.
Yep, good. Okay, push down.
Hey!
Nice. Hold on, let me.
There you go.
Okay. Up. Unlock. Perfect. Why is it not catching?
He's not pushing all the way in. Remember the ground pushes it all the way in.
Well, it's not just that, it's fucking. It is fucked up.
Could it be from the years of the
From it being wrong? Yeah, no, probably nothing to do with that.
clip? Could the clip have fucked it up somehow?
Oh, thought it was yours.
Okay. So I pull this down.
Unlock.
It's good. It goes up, locks itself.
Fucking money.
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 Unlocks. Goes up. Didn't lock, but whatever. Seems like it's working to me.
I hope it's a lot less sketch putting it up.
I don't think it's gonna be.
I think it is.
Oh, okay. I think it'll be alright.
Alright, Joe, move your jack, move your tools. Come on, Joe. I gotta get on the tractor, Joe.
Terrible. Terrible. With 3 people, it wasn't fun. Don't get me wrong. It's not like I would ever want to do that again.
It was a lot worse when it was just me and you.
Yeah. Oh, the third person really makes it fun. So yeah.
It was even worse because I got stuck on that stuff.
Big fat bitch.
Well, I know it's right across the floor.
You just picked it up in the center. It's light.
Dude, yellow box right now. Yep. You're going up.
Alright, I'm going up.
Alright, I'm going up. Ready?
Up.
It's gonna be a tight fit.
A little bit.
Alright. Hold up. There's one more.
Alright, I need to go up one more. Yeah, you can go a bunch more. And then on top of the cables. Yeah. complicated. You need to go up another one.
Oh, the bull.
Yeah, you gotta push it back and then push it back through.
Go up one more.
Yeah.
One bolt in.
Alright,
Hold it.
waiting on you.
Yes, yes you are.
Readjust my ladder for you, dude.
What now?
Readjust my ladder, I can't, I don't know.
Yeah. Yep, it twisted and went in.
Full send, baby!
Where's my Red Bull go?
He's like,
Yeah, I figured I'd have it out and check them both.
you take a high fluid for work?
No, I use ATF.
What?
ATF.
Wow, I'm not using 82 too.
Because I had ATF
Okay.
and it's hydraulic fluid.
I mean, free work. We full pot sample.
Realistically, I don't know where it came from here, so it's probably free from here too.
We can do samples now.
Listen, it don't need to.
Full pot.
Alright, so here's the trick. You just can't go up very far because the return line in the top isn't.
I wouldn't even do it.
Well, no, so what happens is it's a single action piston, but fluid does end up getting past it, which then that's what the return line's for. So we just need to go high enough to put those on.
That's just a little bit.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go probably about 6 inches. Right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Just blow an air out the top.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Yep.
I don't want to burn your motor up.
Hey, it's not gonna burn up.
Well, I don't want double check. Check lock.
Not, you gotta get up higher. You're not high enough yet.
Okay.
Go up till you hear the first lock. Almost there.
Coming down?
They both locked together. Yep, bring it down.
Bam.
That's the first time this.
Bam, baby! That's what I'm talking about. Whoa!
Was that on the ladder?
Yeah,
Did that almost smack me in the face?
You got snap ring pliers on the ladder for.
How close to nailing me was
I
that?
don't know, not as close as you jumping through a fucking, not jumping through a goddamn frame of a barn when it's falling.
What you did? You grabbed it.
You got anything to lube yourself with?
Drop it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah! Motherfucker.
Grab your fucking dead blood.
Yeah, but I'm just see if this is
Oh, hey, look at that. It doesn't barely move at all anymore. All right.
It works again.
Hey, we got lift again.
Well, not really.
I
We
mean,
need that fitting.
but we got a lift again.
Yeah, we can lift some little things up. I wish it wouldn't go crazy.
But we got a lift again.
And we have a lift that doesn't try to actively kill you.
Well, that arm over there.
Oh, that's what we should really fix. Anyhow, so yeah, we finally got the lift fixed. It took way too long. We should have done this years ago. But
What for when you bought it?
well, if I'd have known when I bought it it was broken, I would have fixed it. That was what pissed me off. It took me, one of the reasons it took me so long to do it. You know what I mean? Because you saw what the pain in the ass it was to do this.
Yeah, I mean, it would have been easier before it was even.
Oh yeah, it totally would have been easier. But yeah, so we appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll check you out on the next one.